Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can add a milestone to your projects in the Freedcamp application. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your project. Inside your Freedcamp account, click into milestones. If you haven't enabled these, click into manage project here and enable them there. So to start a milestone or to add it to your project, click into this button, give it a name, milestone 1, for example. Then describe it. Here you can use bold letters, italic letters, underline, strike through, numbered lists, bulleted lists, and so on and so forth, hyperlinks, quotations. Let us skip all of that. So here you can assign your team members, for example, set a status for the milestone, which is in progress in this case, start date, due date, attachments, and a priority, for example, high. And as you can see, creating a milestone works almost the same way as creating tasks. Click into create here. Oh yeah, I need to add a due date. So let us go with the last day of the month, which is 31st of August 2026. That's the milestone. And you can add tasks to it, for example. And yeah, that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.